hymn. It loosely translates to the Hindi word bhajan. So, जो आप भगवान की पूजा करने के लिए गाने गाते हो, उन गानों को हम hymn कहते हैं. Let's have a clipping here.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु.
So, that's a hymn. Also, remember that we can use the word hymn as a verb as well. For example, they hymned their love of God. So, here we are using the word hymn as a verb. Another usage, the service opened with a hymn. Here, we are using the word hymn as a noun. Hopefully, we are getting the usage of the word hymn both as a noun as well as a verb. Now, from the word hymn, you also get the word hymnal. A hymnal is a book containing a collection of hymns. For example, in our Indian tradition, Rig Ved is a hymnal containing a number of Sanskrit hymns.
I'm a OP boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my